Are you going to come to the park after school?
No, I'm not.
Why not?
Because I'm going to watch my little brother in his school play.
Oh, what is he in the play? Does he have to say a lot?
He's a tree. So he isn't going to say anything.
Look and listen. Why isn't she going to go to the park after school?
Because she's going to watch her little brother in his school play.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. What's she going to do after school? That's right. She's going to play football. What's the boy going to buy tomorrow? That's right. He's going to buy a new skateboard. What are you going to do after dinner this evening? Well done!
Yay!
Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones.
That beast I Am Greedy's got the Aztec calendar.
Who's I am greedy, Grandad?
Oh, he's the worst kind of pirate. He only looks for ancient treasure to get rich.
We haven't got the calendar. How am I going to tell the museum in Mexico City?
Look! Dad! There's an envelope. It's for you. What do these spots and stripes mean, Grandad?
They look like that math system to me.
What? Let me see that. Look, a spot means 1 and a stripe means 5.
So, are you going to explain it to us, son?
There are 9 numbers. The first one's a spot with a stripe under it. So that's 6.
Now I understand. It's 6, 1, 9, 3, 4, 2, 3, 9, 7. Does that mean anything?
It sounds like a phone number to me.
Well, let's try it. I'm going to put it on loudspeaker.
Well done, Dr. Bones. I'm a snake, and I've got feathers, but I can't fly. Are you going to fly?
What does he mean?
He means Quetzalcoatl. He was part bird and part snake, and he was the most important god in Aztec mythology.
From I Greedy. Subject, plane tickets to Mexico City.
Plane tickets? Are you going to go to Mexico City, son?
We are now. Come on, Emily. We've got a job to do.